How do I pronounce your name? Is it Hugh? Huh? Hue. Nah, it ain't 4060, dude. That's 3070. Look at this damn thing. That's a 3070. Dude, look at this thing. That has to be like 3070. That's not 4060. I am merely a collector. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Oh, I'm dropping all the boxes. Yeah, 3070 for sure. That thing is so OC. It's just disgusting. Like, I'm not even gonna try to get that graded. It's an instant PSA 7 for off center. But yeah, Hugh, have you gone into this set at all? Ooh, we got a case coming in Thursday. You'll be streaming that? As long as it's not a rip and chip, you can do live rips streamed on here if you want. Or at least post your hits, man. Unless you're not ripping the whole case, but we would love to see your hits. Let us all get hyped together, you know? Let us get hyped with you to see what you get. All right, here we go. Come on, give us a 4th DMG. You'll see. Yeah, I hope you get one of those crazy cases like us with like so many ghosts and 2 DMGs in one case. Like, god dang. Dark Magician, Dragon Knight. Have you been watching a lot of people rip in groups? 8 ghosts in one case. God damn, man. That's the highest. Yeah, that's the highest I've heard from you just telling me now. Most I've heard was 6, maybe 7. I haven't seen 6. Just hearing 8, that's insane. We'll be lucky to even get a 6th ghost rare from this case right now. Shell Knight. Hope you get an 8 ghost case. Which one do you want the most? I know DMG is the one that's worth the most, but if it was me, I think my favorite might either be Blue Eyes White Dragon or Cyber Dragon, because I love Cyber Dragon. There's been people getting 2, and yeah, I heard that. I'm like, yo, 2 in 1 display. That is crazy lucky. That's so lucky. Dark Alligator, DMG and Red Eyes. All right. Ooh, another Dark Magician girl. Yeah, Blue Eyes would be cool. Hello, Daniel. Welcome. Decode Talker. Yeah, we got a 3rd DMG, son. Yeah, pull rate's been insane. Dude, I haven't seen a Cyber Dragon pull yet. Does anyone even pull Cyber Dragons? I just noticed, where's Fred? No one wanna go, so your PC didn't got it? Yeah. And it's just like, you know what, why not? Why the hell not? And we got an Aluber, heck yeah. Oh, one of your buddies got a Cyber Dragon? Damn. I haven't seen anyone pull one yet, not even on a live, like. Damn, Cyber Dragon's so cool. I remember Cyber Dragon used to be so good. Hey, Casey. And Crystal Beast, Rainbow Dragon. Welcome, Casey. This is the last display of this case. I have 2 more cases coming in later, but pretty much done. Ooh, Decode Talker, Heat Soul. Not great, I mean. Alright, so last 3 packs here. And then we're out of Ghost in the Past. And Time Thief. Alright, Red Dragon Archfiend. Red Dragon Archfiend is a Synchro type, right? I think. And Fossil Machine. Alright, last pack of the whole case. Blue Eyes White Dragon pack. Right, here we go. No scuffing, probably not a ghost. Usually they're scuffing. Here we go. I don't remember this card at all. And, ooh, just a DDD, whatever the hell that guy is. And you get the Dookie one? Hey man, I just got a dud case. What are you talking about? Or dud display here. Alright, so if anyone was looking for any, we just ripped all of them. So, thank you guys for showing up. We pulled 3 ghosts today from 6 boxes. So 50% ghosts. Oh, we almost got 50% of ghosts in a whole case. Damn. That would have been so cool. Oh wait. We do have 50%. I am on crap.